Everyone wants to build wealth, but not everyone succeeds. Often, it's not just about what you do, it's about what you avoid doing. There are common mistakes that can derail your financial progress if you're not careful. Today, I'm going to share the top mistakes to avoid when trying to build wealth, so you can stay on the right path to financial freedom. Let's start with living beyond your means. One of the biggest mistakes people make is spending more than they earn. This happens when you focus on instant gratification, buying the latest gadgets, clothes, or cars, even when you can't truly afford them. Millionaires live below their means, not beyond them. To build wealth, you need to control your spending and prioritize saving and investing. A budget is crucial here. Know how much you're earning, track how much you're spending, and make sure you're setting aside a portion for your future. Next, not having an emergency fund is a huge mistake. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses, like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss, can quickly derail your financial plans. Without an emergency fund, you're forced to rely on credit cards or loans, which can lead to debt. Set aside at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. This safety net will protect you from financial setbacks and keep you on track toward your wealth-building goals. Another mistake is waiting too long to start investing. Many people think they need a lot of money to invest, so they delay it until they feel ready. But the truth is, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Don't wait until you have a big chunk of money. Start small if you need to. Even investing a little bit each month can grow into significant wealth over time. The key is consistency, not the amount. Taking on high-interest debt is another common pitfall. Credit card debt, payday loans, and other high-interest loans can be a financial death trap. The interest compounds quickly, making it harder and harder to pay off the principal. Instead of using credit cards for unnecessary purchases, focus on paying down high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Once you're free from debt, you can put that money to work by saving or investing. One major mistake is trying to get rich quick. There are no shortcuts to building wealth. Whether it's gambling, high-risk investments, or falling for get-rich-quick schemes, these tactics rarely lead to long-term success. Instead of chasing fast money, focus on steady, proven wealth-building strategies like investing in stocks, real estate, or starting a side business. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Let's not forget about neglecting to diversify. Putting all your eggs in one basket, whether it's one stock, one business, or one source of income, exposes you to unnecessary risk. Millionaires know the importance of diversifying their investments and income streams. By spreading your money across different asset classes, like stocks, bonds, real estate, and businesses, you reduce the risk of losing everything if one area underperforms. Another mistake people make is focusing only on income, not net worth. Many people equate a high salary with wealth, but that's not the full picture. Your net worth, what you own minus what you owe, is what really matters. You can earn a lot of money, but if you're spending most of it or are deep in debt, your net worth won't grow. Track your net worth regularly to get a true sense of your financial progress and make decisions that increase your assets while reducing your liabilities. Finally, not seeking financial advice can be a costly mistake. Many people try to go it alone, thinking they can figure everything out themselves. But there's no shame in seeking help from a financial advisor or mentor who can guide you. They can help you create a personalized wealth-building strategy, avoid common pitfalls, and make smarter financial decisions. To recap, the biggest mistakes to avoid when building wealth are living beyond your means, not having an emergency fund, waiting too long to start investing, taking on high-interest debt, trying to get rich quick, neglecting diversification, focusing only on income, and not seeking financial advice. By avoiding these traps and sticking to a disciplined wealth-building strategy, you'll be well on your way to financial success. Which mistake are you going to work on avoiding today? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on wealth building and personal finance.